commitment conflicts. Behaviors that significantly conflict with a person's commitments in various areas such as relationships, professional life, personal responsibilities. Emphasis is on secrecy, not the behavior. The most obvious example here is infidelity. In marriages, or even if you're not married, if you are in a relationship where the understanding is that you are committed to one another in a monogamous way, if you violate that commitment, that is a problem. This is assuming kind of an ethical standpoint, an ethical point of view, that we have an ethical responsibility to actually hold to our commitments. Why would that be? Well, can you imagine a society in which that's not expected? That would be just absolute chaos, right? This isn't limited to, like marriages or committed monogamous relationships. Engaging in sexual activities that undermine professional or social commitments. So in other words, let's say you're a doctor and you have a commitment to not be sexual with a patient and you violate that. That's a commitment conflict. Let's say you're in a workplace where there's a rule that you have to disclose if there's a sexual relationship with a coworker. You don't honor that commitment. That's a commitment conflict. This is not limited to personal, romantic, sexual commitments, but actually professional and social commitments as well. Would an emotional affair also be considered here? Yeah, absolutely. To me, that emotional affair fits in that relationship addiction thing because, listen, I don't want to say something that could cause a problem, but I'm going to say something that I believe to be true. An emotional affair that carries on for a length of time rarely will not become sexual in some way. Even if it's not explicit, some implicit sexual satisfaction can be derived, even if it's fantasy based or whatever. So I would absolutely include that.